Yeah.
All right, what's up, boys? Tonight we've got about, I think, maybe like 2 or 3 hours of work. We're trying to get the frame kind of cleaned up, ready to spray paint tomorrow, and get in the frame. What color?
Gold.
Fucking gold.
Yeah.
I think it'll look dope.
I mean,
Gold frame, kind of a dark blue tank.
Yeah.
Some pinstriping.
Maybe.
I don't know. Kind of swing with this one. Tomorrow morning, which will be a continuation of this episode, so don't be surprised if the sun rises. We're not working into the morning. We're just working tonight. Time to get working.
Shut up and sit down.
Nobody wants to clean motors. Nobody. Do you know where my wrenches are? Got it. Get the carburetors off first. Make sure you save these nuts. And there you have it, 2 carburetors. And I always like to put the nuts back on the threaded rods so that I don't ever lose them. Get some clean towels or paper rags and stuff them into the intake so you don't get anything inside of them. That's like what?
Like a basket of fucking eggs.
Shut up and sit down.
Should it just be like tap, or just like hold it and pass it?
I would hold off and let go.
Yeah.
The reason I let go is because we might not have enough paint.
Right, yeah.
The first one should just be speckles on there.
It's just hard to look at it this way with the light.
A little further away. Yeah, like the nozzle a little further away. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, you're hitting all the fucking tight spots first, aren't you?
I just did it, really.
My lens is going to hate me. Hopefully I don't have speckles of paint on this thing. coat of paint, 2 primer down. This should be the last coat for the motor.